Welcome to another episode. This car's back. It's a 2016 Mustang 2.3 Echoboost. We're doing the downpipe. So, alright, so first thing we gotta do, we gotta remove O2 sensor, and it plugs right down there where that green thing is right there. When I'm pointing out, I already took it off. And then the red one right here. And it's this plug, and then the other plug's down there somewhere. Right there. And then what you want to do is you got two 15 mils on each side, and you're going to remove those two nuts. So I sprayed them down with some WD-40 so they can come out smoothly. And then once I take those off, we got four more bolts on the bottom. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. All right, so here's the stock pipe. You have two bolts that mounted on here. And then you have the clamp over here that mounted on there. And then you got this little clip. You just gotta bend back a little bit to get it out. Then you got this hanger, which is the little rubber piece there. And then it comes out. And there's the turbo hot side. And those other two bolts mount right here. On this too. So that's it. Now we're gonna put the new pipe, test pipe on there, dump tube, whatever you guys want to call it, and see what happens. Stay tuned. Next, remove the sensors. This sensor here, it's pretty easy. That one's a little hard, so you got to use a big, long ratchet with a long handle. So, and then don't mix them up. This one's bank 1 sensor 1, and that's bank 2 sensor 2. All right, you can see the difference. No cap, that's pretty much the only difference. But it's gonna look fresh, and it's gonna gain some horsepower. The new downpipe, make sure to clean around that circle so you can get a flush with this new gasket that comes with it, and that slides right in there. So you want to make it flush, and you got to clean that surface off. I'm about to do that now. So this is how you clean it. It's supposed to look like that when you're all done. Fresh. You want to do that to see the right. Alright, so there it is. Downpipe installed. Hanger. Clearance here, it's perfect.
Yes, I can see it.
Boom.